Hello everyone, I would like to invite you to my Beekeeping for Beginners class, which will be on 20th of February, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. It is on Zoom, interactive class. I will be there. You can ask questions, we can discuss stuff. There will be a lot of information, a lot of new discoveries about bees. We will be also learning different things, like for example, how to make foundationless frame to get beautiful comb without any foundation. If you are interested in this, of course. This way, just please click on the button book now. It will lead you to my website. You will see details there, and also you can book your spot for the class there. This way, see you at the class. Bye.